Every dollar that comes into your life is a baby money soldier. You are the general of your baby money soldiers. You have to learn how to survey your financial battlefield and learn how to deploy your baby money soldiers to expand and conquer more territory or pull back some of your baby money soldiers in reserve for future opportunities. If you're seeking to become financially free and create generational wealth, then you need to learn how to allow your baby money soldiers to procreate. Some of our baby money soldiers are meant for basic needs. Others are placed in reserve to be called into action later, while others are deployed into action to take over your next asset. Once you start taking control of your financial resources and allocate them responsibly and with specific tasks, you'll be on your way to financial independence and the life you've always dreamed of.